Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix JAVAWS exe Application error. In the search box, enter Java. Open Configure Java. Go to the tab Update. Click on Update Now. In case there is an update available, you must update Java following the steps of the wizard and using the system permission for this. After that, in the tab Security, confirm that the box is active. Enable Java content for browser and web start applications. In the General tab in the section Temporary Internet Files, click on Settings. Click on the button Delete Files. Leave the boxes Trace and Log Files and Cached Applications and Applets enabled. Click on OK to delete this content. Apply the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.